Day 583 of doing a LeetCode problem every day until I get a job. All right, y'all, we're back again another day, another LeetCode problem where we're doing daily LeetCode problems. And today we have question number 1523, count odd numbers in interval range. The difficulty level is easy, so you already know we're going to keep the solution as simple and easy to understand as well. But before we get started, y'all, don't forget to like, hype, subscribe, comment, and share. And if you need any new Apple AirPods, go in and check out that link in the description so you can get you some. Now let's see what the question says. Given two non-negative integers low and high, return the count of odd numbers between low and high inclusive. All right, y'all, so that sounds pretty simple, but let's go ahead and take a look at these examples anyway, just to make sure that we are doing this problem correctly. So in example 1, we have our input low equals 3 and high equals 7. The output is 3 because there are 3 odd numbers between 3 and 7, including 3 and 7. That's what this inclusive means. We are including 3 and 7 in our count. Those 3 odd numbers are, the explanation says, the odd numbers between 3 and 7 are 3, 5, and 7. So since there are 3 odd numbers including 3 and 7, then the output is 3. Now, just in case that didn't make sense, let's take a look at example 2 where the input does not include any odd numbers. So in example 2, our input low equals 8, high equals 10. The output is 1 because there's only one odd number between 8 and 10. Explanation says the odd numbers between 8 and 10 are 9, so the output is 1 because there's only one number or one odd number that is between 8 and 10. So now that we understand the question, y'all, let's get into the fun part, the actual solution. Solution is not that difficult at all. And guess what, y'all? Guess what? We got a one-liner. That's right, y'all. We can solve this in one line of code. It's real simple. All we have to do is come right here and we're going to say return, open up the parentheses. We're going to say high plus 1. Sorry, y'all, that should be plus 1. Come outside of that and we're going to divide that by 2 minus, open up the parentheses, low divided by 2. Boom, that's all she wrote. That's the formula right there. Let's go ahead and give it a run. Make sure it runs properly before we submit it. Let's see, it's accepted. So let's go ahead and submit it. Make sure it's still accepted after we submit it, because we all know how LeetCode can be. And look at that, y'all. 4 milliseconds beats 71.43% of users. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'd like to see, y'all. So with that being said, I hope y'all learned something today, and I hope to see y'all here tomorrow for another day, another LeetCode problem. See y'all then.